Hi and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to add percent out of total column on this data. So that's going to be getting the sum of all the sales and then dividing each of the items. For instance, this January to the sum of that particular sales column. And then let's check it, lock it, and copy and paste it. You get a certain percentage for each rows, and it's going to be it. So we're going to do that inside the Power Query. So let's erase it and then choose any of our data here and go to Data tab from Table Range. Okay, and then we're here. Now, first thing is to remove this change type step here in the applied steps. So we're not actually needing that. So let's go to the advanced editor. And this advanced editor, we're gonna edit this formula, let formula here. So I'm gonna add comma after this whole source formula here, and I'm gonna add another variable which is for the grand total. So let's start with the grand total. So it's gonna be GTotal equals to, I'm gonna use list.sum formula, and inside that list.sum is I'm gonna use the source. So I'm gonna have the last step approach, which is a hashtag in double quote source, and that's gonna be it. And in that source, it's a table, right? So I'm gonna get particular column in square bracket, which is the sales, and that's it. Let's close it, and then instead of the source in the in, let's display GTotal and click done. Let's check it. So that's gonna be it. That's the total of the sales column. So let's go back to the advanced editor. We're gonna use that later on. And then let's add another variable here. So put a comma, and then let's add another variable, and let's call it add call percent, because it's an additional column for the percent out of total. So that's gonna be equal to the table that add column. So I'm gonna use that table that add column, and inside that formula, the first argument will be the step, the source here. So I'm going to use the source again, not the GTotal, but the source in double quote source, and then comma. Second argument is the name of the column, which is not the product, but the percent out of total. So I'm going to use percent out of total, so in double quote again, and comma, so declare the formula, and we're going to say that each, which means each row, should be, it should be the sales column, so in square bracket sales, let's put that, so that's going to be here from the source, coming from the source, divided by the GTotal, which is our variable here. So that's going to be GTotal, and then close parenthesis, and then instead of the GTotal in the in, let's execute the add call percent. So put add call percent, and then after that, click done. And that's it. You have the column here. So actually, we don't need this month in sales. Click that and delete, and then go to the home tab, close and load to, and then let's put it here in the existing worksheet after the sales, and okay. So that's gonna be it, and I'm gonna choose all this column, ABC column here, and let's put table format like this, and it's gonna be it. And let's fix this percentage, and let's check it manually. So it's going to be each row divided by the total of the sales column. Okay, that's it. And it's going to be the same. Format it, copy and paste it, and let's arrange it properly. It's going to be equal, the two of them. And then when you add another details, let's say January and it's 100, then when you click this percent out of total, right click and refresh, it's gonna be it. It's updated, and this total here is equal to 100%. And that's it. That's how you do it inside the Power Query. And I'm finished here. I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe in my channel. Click the subscribe button, and see you next time. And thanks.